Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to finally share with you my two top most favorite breakfast smoothie bowls. They're completely plant-based and can be made in just 5 minutes with just 5 ingredients. The first one is a chocolate banana smoothie bowl featuring decadent chocolate and nourishing peanut butter blended together with frozen bananas, a blissful treat any time of the day. Start off by removing seeds from the dates. You can also use seedless dates. Dates are rich in fiber and disease-fighting antioxidants. Next, take 2 frozen bananas. Make sure you freeze these bananas overnight or at least freeze them for 4 to 5 hours before you make the smoothie. We will also be needing cocoa powder and 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. And we are set. Gather your ingredients and get ready to fall in love with the smoothie. Start by adding few dates, frozen bananas. Next, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Peanut butter is rich in protein. You can also substitute it with almond butter or any nut butter of your choice. To this, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Cocoa powder is an easy way to get your flavonoid fix and it supports your heart health as a part of your balanced diet. It also has fiber, which is really good for your gut health, and it has natural compounds which help in reducing the anxiety levels in you. It instantly lifts up your mood and it makes you feel good. Especially whenever I have this chocolate smoothie bowl, it makes me feel so good. That's it. To this, add little coconut water or any plant-based milk or even just water and blend it. There you have it, a dairy-free chocolate peanut butter banana smoothie with no added sugar, made easy, healthy and blissfully delicious. And who said you can't have dessert for breakfast? This chocolate smoothie bowl is as delicious as it is nutritious. It's a true treat for your body and soul. I'm topping it up with few apple slices to balance the flavor. You can top it up with any fruits of your choice. I'm also adding muesli, which adds texture and crunch to the smoothie bowl when you have it. I have also added few chia seeds. Now quickly grab those ingredients and make this amazingly delicious smoothie bowl and just indulge away in that rich chocolatey flavors. Next up, we have a super easy and healthy green smoothie bowl. This is the best way to get your greens into your body. And most of you might have a common question, that is, will you be able to taste spinach in the smoothie? And my answer to this is a big no, because the other flavors in the smoothie will mask the taste of spinach. So let's quickly start making this recipe. For this, you will need frozen bananas, dates and spinach as main ingredients, and kiwis and plums are something that I've taken for toppings. So you can just change the toppings according to your convenience, but these 3 are the main ingredients. Start by adding in frozen bananas. Next goes in the spinach and then dates. Dates will give that sweetness to this smoothie along with the bananas. Now add little coconut water or normal water or any plant-based milk and just blend it. We are almost done. The Green Goddess smoothie bowl is all set to be topped with some fresh fruits and seeds. Basically, blending spinach into smoothies keeps your heart healthy, and adding any citrus fruit to a smoothie containing raw spinach increases your body's ability to absorb many of the beneficial nutrients in spinach. So what I'm trying to tell you here is, whenever you make a green smoothie, add fruits with vitamin C as toppings so that the iron content in the smoothie will be better absorbed when we add in vitamin C. I have also used toppings such as chia seeds, oats, seeds and nuts for the toppings part of it. You can play with your own choices. And that's it, your super quick, yummy Green Goddess smoothie bowl is ready. Do give it a try and add a splash of color to your mornings with this vibrant breakfast bowl of blended spinach, frozen bananas, nut butter, topped with fresh fruits and seeds. Definitely give these recipes a try. I'm sure you will love them. And also, if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and click on that notification bell icon for all my updates. And I will see you next time with another healthy recipe. Until then, eat healthy and stay fit. Bye-bye.